In this video, I'll guide you through how to prevent last-minute bookings in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're managing a bustling calendar or simply want to keep your schedule organized, setting up a buffer time for client bookings can be a game changer. It ensures you have ample time to prepare for appointments and avoid any unexpected surprises. Get started, head over to the availability section, which you'll find in the left-hand sidebar of your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. This section is your go-to place for managing when clients can book appointments with you. It's a crucial part of ensuring your availability aligns with your personal and professional commitments. Next, you'll want to click on the Global Scheduling Limits tab located at the top. This tab provides a variety of options to fine-tune how your clients can book appointments. It's here that you can set boundaries and ensure your schedule works for you, not the other way around. Now keep an eye out for the field labeled "Do not allow clients to book fewer than hours in advance." This is where the magic happens. By entering a specific lead time, you control how much notice you need before an appointment can be scheduled. This helps create a more predictable schedule and reduces the risk of scrambling to prepare at the last minute. When deciding on your preferred lead time, consider what works best for your workflow. A common choice is setting a 24-hour notice period. This is perfect if you want the assurance of knowing your schedule for the entire next day. It provides a comfortable buffer and ensures you're never caught off guard by last minute bookings. If you're heading into a particularly busy period or just prefer more preparation time, you might opt for 48 or even 72 hours. Giving yourself this extended lead time can be especially beneficial during high intensity weeks or when juggling multiple projects. It allows you the breathing room needed to deliver your best work without feeling rushed. Once you've entered your chosen number of hours into the field, don't forget to hit save. This step is crucial to ensuring your settings are updated and active. By saving your changes, you lock in your preferences and guarantee that Acuity will adhere to these new scheduling limits. And there you have it. By setting up these scheduling boundaries, you not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance your client's booking experience. They'll appreciate the clarity and consistency, and you'll enjoy a more manageable and stress-free schedule. Remember, the key to successful scheduling is finding the balance that allows you to provide excellent service while maintaining control over your time. Adjust these settings as your needs change, and don't hesitate to revisit them whenever your circumstances require it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you take charge of your scheduling with Acuity. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your time and appointments effectively. Until next time, happy scheduling.